Hi everyone, today I'll do a cutting test for top 5 of my blades. And they're laying down there, so let's see each knife first. The first one is cold steel, Rajah 2. This is huge blade. As you can see, I have a medium-sized hand, so this blade is huge for me. It's fixed blade, well, it's more like fixed blade. The cold steel used the tri-lock on this one, and they said this is one of the strongest lock in the world. They have videos on their website. It's very good. You guys can go take a look at it. And the second knife is also cold steel Recon 1. This also used the tri-lock. It's a Tonto style blade. It's very good too. The third one is made by Ontario. It's model Red 1. It fits very nicely in hand, and this one is very cheaper. It's cheaper compared to those 4. It's like $25 range. This is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's one hand and non-serrated with clip. I think the model number is called a Sentinel. I'm not so sure, but I'll have the link below for you guys to look at it. And by the way, this one, as you can see, wow, it's shiny. It's like mirror finish. It's non-serrated. It's plain edge. And as all the Swiss Army knives, it has tweezers and toothpick. Okay. The last one we have here is the Kershaw Leek assisted opening. This is very popular. And this is back. I like the tip-down carry, so I switched the clip. And this one is the locking mechanism. Well, it's the locking for the blade, so it does not come out accidentally. Not sure if you can see it here. Okay, so basically catch the blade if it wants to open, right? So like this, I cannot open it, but if I open it up, and I can easily open the blade. Okay, so those are my top 5 favorite knives. Let's do a test now. I'm not going to use the paper, as I said before. It's going to be using a stack of paper. Thickness is probably more than ½ inch, 0.67. Okay, so let's try it. Let's move away the knives first. Alright, okay. And let's do the test here. Okay, nice enough. So first one, Rajah 2, cold steel. I just simply push it down, and you guys can see the action. Ready? 1, 2, go. Wow, this one's very sharp. Okay. Second one is also cold steel, Recon 1 Tonto plate. This one a little hard to cut because it's flat end, a flat edge. So okay, let's try it. Very sharp, very sharp. Is a cut. Oh wow! I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Let's try this one. With this corner. I'll use this part to cut. Okay, ready? Oh, wow, very sharp, right? Okay. Third one, Ontario, Red 1. Okay. It's sharp too, but not as sharp as cold steel. Then, okay, let's use a different one. Different booklet. The first one is the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Okay. Let's go. Okay, more. Go. Wow. It's good. And the last one is Kershaw Leek. It's a little hot, very little bit harder. Let's try a different corner. Okay, this way. Ready? Oh, wow. It's good. Oh, okay. So among all those 5 knives, my favorite one, Recon one. Thanks for watching. I'll have the website links for those 5 knives listed below. Thanks again.